In a bizarre move by the Mysore University in the wake of 22-year-old MBA students' alleged gang rape, the university has issued a diktat barring girl students from moving around after 6 p.m. and a circular issued by the varsity administration. People are barred from entering the Kukarahali Lake premises after 6 p.m. Girl students are also banned from moving alone and relaxing inside the campus after 6:30 p.m. Politics continues to erupt over the gruesome incident. Opposition parties like Congress and JDS are now up in arms, targeting Basavaraj Bommai government, claiming lawlessness in the state. Congress is also demanding Home Minister's resignation. JDS's Kumaraswamy even suggested that the case must be handled similar to what was done in Hyderabad, when the gang rape accused was shot dead in an encounter. BJP Minister Shivram Hebar has assured that the accused are going to be arrested soon.
The minister are encouraging this type of rape, and with the name of, in this incident, the minister calling that the congressman is raping him. Itself, Home Minister telling itself shows their attitude.
ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಠಿಣವಾದಂಥ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ.
This is a bizarre diktat coming in for girls by this particular university. One wonders which age and day they are living in, where they've gone ahead and asked the girl students from moving around after 6 p.m. It's a circular, an official circular that has been issued by the university administration, and people are banned from entering the premises after 6 p.m. In fact, what's even more bizarre is that the girl students are banned from moving alone and relaxing inside the Gangotri campus after 6:30 p.m. This doesn't get more bizarre than that. This is coming all in the wake of the alleged gang rape of a 22-year-old MBA student. Nagarjun is now joining us for the very latest. Nagarjun, this is the most bizarre diktat that a university could issue after the alleged gang rape of a 22-year-old on the girls moving about freely in the campus. One then starts to wonder which day and age are these universities really living in?
Well, true, Chaiti, after the gang rape incident in Mysore, what has happened is bizarre statements coming from the cabinet minister. First, we heard the state home minister Aragha Gnanendra say that why did the victim go to that spot at 7:30 and Congress is trying to rape me. And now comes the University of Mysore, which has put out a diktat that women can't move around freely after 6:30 p.m. in that campus there in Gangotri campus, and also people can't go to Kukarahali, which is the heart of the city, and it's a lake where it's beautifully developed. There's a walking spot, there's a walking track, and they're saying that students are not supposed to go. And there's no rule for men in that notification clearly mentions that only women are not supposed to step out in the Gangotri campus after it gets dark at 6:30 p.m. Lot of criticism from across Karnataka, where they're saying, why is this rule applicable only to women? And it's not the responsibility of the women to not step out. It's the responsibility of the police department. It's the responsibility of the society to make sure that men don't commit such crimes. But however, the diktat is still in force. Most likely that what we are hearing is that it will be taken back because the Higher Education Ministry has intervened and it was not brought to their notice, is what we are told.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Nagarjun, for getting us the latest details right there. In the meanwhile, we're getting some breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it.